Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two AI app builder, which is Softr and Glide. So I'm going to dive into it to reveal the pros and cons about these two AI websites. Maybe decide which of these AI websites can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. So talking about Softr. Softr makes building web app easy with its simple drag and drop interface and a smooth integration with Airtable and Google Sheet. It's great for internal tools and simple dashboard, offering fast setup and clean design. However, it lacks native mobile support and has the limited customization for advanced users. So talking about Glide, on the other hand, it shines for mobile-friendly app and a spreadsheet-based workflow. It's beginner-friendly and visually appealing, but can get pricey on the higher tier and lack deep customization. So in my own opinion, Softr is ideal for quick web projects, while Glide AI wins for mobile-ready app and a sleek user experience. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.